everybody, welcome back to the DAS. I'm Devanati Bisht, and in today's class I will be teaching you a choreography of mine on the song Y Que Fe, which is a Spanish song, okay? So it's very famous, and the choreography, the steps are very easy. It's just the tempo is a bit fast, so maybe thoda sa difficult ho sakta hai, but you'll do that, okay? So without wasting any time, let's just dive into the tutorial. But before that, here's the preview of what we are going to learn today.
¿Y qué fue? No hiciste nada. Con tanta chapa, va a hacerle ranking, canking, can. ¿Y qué fue? No hiciste nada. Con tanta chapa, va a hacerle ranking, canking, can. Mambo.
Alright, so let's start with the tutorial. So for the first step, I'm jumping on my right leg in the right direction, like 1. Okay? Then I'm jumping in my left direction on my left leg. Okay? So I'm starting with the 8th count. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So we just did 1 and a 2, right? Abhi isme hand movements kaise hain? When I'm jumping on my right leg, my right hand will be on my chest, on the right side of my chest. Okay? 1, cool. Abhi jaise hi I'm jumping on my left hand will be on the left side of my chest. Cool. Abhi yahan se when I'm kicking, I'm gonna kick towards my left diagonal. Sorry for that. So it will look like ha. Cool. Abhi yahan se my hands, okay, yahan se my hands, they will go like this. Okay, so we're already here, right? So from here it will look like 1. See how both of my hands have formed a fist and they're like this. Cool. So we are done from here, right? Abhi yahan se my hands are gonna drop eventually, and my right leg. Now see, my right leg is gonna come back. My body is gonna twist. ठीक है, इसके साथ साथ. And you just have to, it's like your leg is here. You can see from the back camera, my leg is still in the air, and I'm just gonna place it in and place it down. Okay, so it basically is gonna look like 1, ha, and down. Make sense? So we just did here, it goes back, it folds, and my body twists as well, and we place. So see, when I'm placing it, my knees are bended, my hands are on my thighs, and my back is forming a curve. It's not straight, it's in a curved position. Why? Because I have to hit and hit. Cool? It's like a twerk, right? But not twerk actually. Twerk mein you have to move your twerk consists of pelvic movements and hip rotations, but no. In this, everything you have to move is your back, okay? So see how my back is curved down and it's coming up, right? So एक बार top से revise करते हैं. 5, 6, 7, Y Que Fe, Y Que Fe, ha, ha. Cool. Now from here, I will place my right leg out, and my right hand will be touching the right shoulder, and my left hand will be straight. ऐसा, it's forming a fist. ठीक है, shoulder level पे straight रहेगा मेरा arm, right? And यहाँ से see how my right leg is on the knee and on the toes as well. ठीक है, my left leg is straight. अभी यहाँ से I'm gonna twist my right knee in. ठीक है, my right hand, left hand will be here only. My right hand, it will move towards the left side of my waist here, right? And then it will eventually be placed down here. ठीक है, so it's like 3. We just ended here. It goes like 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. So it's the graph is going 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Make sense? So with the hand movements, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? Let's go again from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. ठीक है? Ha, ha, ha. Cool. Abhi yahan se my right leg will join back to left. My both hands will be in the air. ठीक है? Right is forming a fist, left is just holding it. And I'm facing right diagonal. Okay? So I'm here in this position. Now from here, my left leg, ठीक है? My left leg will go back 2 times. 1 and a 2. ठीक है, 1 2, ठीक है. So I just ended 1 2 3, ha. And now from here 2 times my leg will firstly place here, and then on the second one it will form a slight lunge, right? This is not the actual lunge. A lunge is like this, so it will form a slight lunge like this. Make sense? So now hand movements, we just did 1 2 3, ha. Now from here I will open up my hands, and on the first hit it goes drop, and on the second one it drops. Cool? So let's combine it. It will look like 5 6 7, go. 1 2 3, ha ha, hit. Cool? Now from here I will place my left leg, or you can say I'm going to cross my left leg over my right. ठीक है? So it will look like 1. ठीक है? See how my both knees are bended. ठीक है? And my upper body is towards the front, towards you guys. Okay? So I just ended tuck tuck. Now from here I go 1. ठीक है? अभी इसमें hands. My hands are going to be like birds placed here. ठीक है? Not like this. Here. ऐसा. ठीक है? Elbows joined to my waist, and hands are going to be blade hands. Okay? So now from here I have to wiggle my shoulders. 1 2. My God. Okay, so I have to wiggle my shoulders. 1 and 2. Cool? While crossing. So we ended up here. 5 6 7, go. 1. ठीक है? And see, I'm not stopping here. No, I'm not stopping. You can see how my weight is constantly shifting, right? Because the next step we have to, take up. So we just did 1 2, we go ha. Now from here my right leg, ठीक है? You can see it's back, so my right leg will open up and it will be like ha. ठीक है? On the toes, knees in, knee in on the toes, and then it opens up ha, like this. Okay? On the heel. So it will look like we just did tuck tuck and ha. 1 2. Hands are free, you can do anything. मेरा naturally ये निकलता है, tuck and a ha ha, but you can do anything you want. Okay? So we just did tuck tuck. Now अब यहाँ से ध्यान देना, ठीक है? यहाँ से एक transition है. You just have to, okay, so firstly हम legs पे focus करते हैं, hands को हम ignore करते हैं, ठीक है? So I just ended tuck tuck. Right now from here the step, first see how the step is. It's like 1 and a ha. ये तो मैंने बहुत slow करा है. 1 tuck tuck and a ha. This is the step. Okay, so we just ended up here ना. तो यहाँ से I have to take a jump, ठीक है? And मेरी जो right leg है ना, it's like it's gonna kick on my buttocks. ठीक है? Tuck and a ha. Cool? ठीक है? So यहाँ से firstly my right leg is gonna curl up, and then my left leg is gonna curl up, and इसी के साथ I have to turn back. Make sense? Right? So अभी hand movements करते हैं. Tuck tuck. Now from here my hands, they're gonna go 1 and placed on the thighs. Make sense? So we just did 1 2, ha and a ha. Cool? And guys, you have to be this bended because of the next step, okay? So there shouldn't be any type of, what do you say, kamchori, okay? So we just did 1 2, we go 5 6 7 8, ha and a ha. Now from here, see, I'm gonna firstly bend my right leg, ha, ठीक है? Then I'm gonna bend my left leg, ठीक है? So this will be the position. I'm here, right? So I'm gonna firstly bend my right, then my left, right? Now from here, I have to throw back, ठीक है? Throw it back, then in, and a grab on my buttocks. Make sense? Okay, so अगर आपको front से देखने में difficulty लग रही है, you can just see the back camera, okay? You can flip the cameras and you can see how my positions are, okay? So I just did in, ठीक है? It's like right, left, throw, back, and ha. See how when it's like I'm, grabbing my buttocks. Now see how my legs are up straight. Otherwise they are bended. Otherwise right, left, यहीं से आपके knees bend होना start हो जाते हैं, ठीक है? Right, left, throw, in and a grab, right? Make sense? Make sense? Okay, so from here, now I will just rotate on my right leg, ठीक है? So it's like this right leg is the needle of the compass and the left leg is the pencil, okay? So, oh my god, okay. So from here, I am just gonna tap my right leg once. Ha! Not even tap, it's like a stomp, okay? So I just stomp my right leg once and I turn like this. And now from here, imagine someone is standing right behind, not behind, right beside you, and you just hate that person so much. You have the opportunity to kick that person. Okay, so we just ended up here now. So I'm stomping my right leg once, I turn around and I kick. Hey, okay. So we just did ha, I turn and I kick, right? Okay, now the hand movements. So I ended up here, right? Now from here, both of my hands are gonna form a fist. My right hand is gonna be here and my left leg, my left hand, it's gonna, you know, move below my right arm and ha. And when I kick my left, it's gonna be ta. My left arm is gonna be straight like my left leg and my right arm will be here. ऐसा, ठीक है? Right shoulder के just ऊपर. Make sense? So the hand movements are gonna be like 1, 2, throw back in and यहीं से see how यहीं से left is coming थोड़ा सा पीछे से and right यहीं से form हो जाता है. So it looks like 5, 6, 7 go 1 and ha. Cool, एक बार combine करके करते हैं यहाँ से right left से, ठीक है? 5, 6, 7 go right left throw back grab and kick. Make sense? Now from here, remember we did this step. The same leg movements are gonna happen, okay? So we just did 1 and place. But this time when the right leg is coming forward, it's not gonna go toe heel, no. It's not gonna go toe heel. It's gonna go place, ठीक है? But there are some changes. जैसे कि when I kick here and my hands, how my hands and my upper body are gonna react to this step of left, okay? So I just ended up here. Now from here, first of all my hands, they are gonna go ha, ठीक है? थोड़ा सा confusion हो सकता है because ये hand movement repeated है, एक यहाँ पे आती है, right? 1 and 2 and एक same hand movement आती है 1, है ना? So अभी यहाँ पे भी क्या सीन है that hands के साथ ना मेरी upper body भी पीछे जा रही है 1 and a ha, ठीक है? So when I ended up here, I kicked. Now from here I go 1 and a place, ठीक है? I placed. Now from here I have to rotate. I'm gonna twist my left knee in order to throw my hip out, okay? So if I combine it all, it will look like kicked 1, 2 and a ha. Cool. Now from here I'm gonna stomp my left leg and I'm gonna stand tall, okay? So I stomp. जैसे ही मैं stomp करूँगी, I'm gonna stand straight but my right arm will be here. ऐसा, index finger out and placed on the right diagonal, okay? So I just did ha. Now I go 5, 6, 7 go 1, ठीक है? And now from here, ये जो movement है ना, it will look cool only if you learn it अच्छे से, ठीक है? Don't worry, I'm gonna teach you. So we just did twist, place, right? Now from here, my head is gonna lead me, ठीक है, towards the left, and then my body follows, and last my feet are gonna follow. So how it will look like, my right foot will firstly go back, then my left foot will come across it, and then my right leg will open. ठीक है? So it will look like 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. ऐसा ही, ठीक है? So we just did ha. Now we go 1. अभी यहाँ से go back, back. अभी जैसे ही right हम stomp करेंगे, my hand will come up, ha. ठीक है? So now from here, same is gonna happen but on the opposite side. So my head is gonna lead me on the right side and I will follow, then my shoulders and my chest will, then my waist will, and at the last, my left foot will place back, right will place beside it, and I'm gonna stomp my feet again, left leg. But there's no repetitive steps anymore, okay? So we're gonna do this 2 times only. So let's just do it from here, okay? From the turn, 5, 6, 7, go. Turn and a kick, 1 and a ha, place, down and a place, slide. Abhi yahan se bhi, okay, one additional detail I would like to add. We just did tuck, हाँ, so अभी ना जैसे ही मेरी लेफ्ट लेग प्लेस होने वाली होगी, I'm not gonna place it, no, I'm not gonna stomp it anymore, ठीक है? I am here अभी, है ना? So my left feet is not gonna place, is not gonna stomp anymore. यहाँ से the next step is gonna start, okay? So I just did 1, ha, 2, ha. Now from here, लेफ्ट उठेगा बट वैसा स्टॉम्प नहीं होगा, ओके? यहाँ से व्हेन आई एम प्लेसिंग माई लेफ्ट डाउन ना, माई नीज आर गोना गो आउट इन, 1, 2, ठीक है? आउट इन, ठीक है? अगर मैं इसे कंबाइन करूँ इट विल लुक लाइक थ्रो बैक, 5, 6, 7, go, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. मेक सेंस? अभी इसके साथ हैंड मूवमेंट्स कैसे हैं? वी जस्ट एंडेड अप हियर, राइट? तो अभी फर्स्टली माई राइट हैंड, आई एम गोना मेक फिस्ट अगैन, इट विल गो अप देन अप, कूल. सो इट विल लुक लाइक 1 and a 2. शोल्डर से स्टार्ट हो रहा है एंड लास्टली माई फिस्ट इज गोइंग अप, ओके? 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. मेक सेंस? सो एक बार हम यहाँ से करते हैं, 5, 6, 7, go, 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6. Make sense? अभी यहाँ से I'm gonna jump on my right leg, ha, and my both hands will be behind my head. ठीक है? And I'm on my right leg, my left is in the air. अभी यहाँ से ना see how my full leg is facing you. It's not up. It's facing you. My knee is facing you. My toes are facing you. Okay? So it will be like this. And now from here, I have to twist and out, okay? So I will be twisting my knees on the roof side, okay? 1 and a 2, ठीक है? So it will look like 1 and a 2, ha, ha. It's like a hit, make sense? ठीक है? अभी यहाँ से बहुत थोड़े steps रह गए, ठीक है? So यहाँ से we hit, right? अभी यहाँ से hands will be left, ठीक है? Right will be folded up like this and left fist will be in front of you. Then we switch, ठीक है? Then we switch, then we switch, and then we switch. So it's 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it's 4 times, okay? So we just did 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. And इसी के साथ ना, my left leg is gonna be placed, ha, ऐसा. It's on the toes, and knee is out, okay? So 4 times when I'm doing this, 1, 2, 3, 4. उसी के साथ साथ ना my leg is gonna, it's gonna step further away from me, okay? So we ended up here, we go 5, 6, 7, go, 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है? So see how my leg is stepping away, but बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा gap नहीं है, बहुत slightly छोटे छोटे gaps हैं, right? So if you want more, I'll break it down for you. I'm placing my right leg here, then I'm placing my right leg here, then I'm placing my right leg here, and then I'm placing my right leg finally here. ठीक है? अभी I ended up here, okay? Now from here, both of my hands, they will be placed here. One will be on the waist and one will be on the thighs, okay? So this is the 5th count. This is the 5th count, and on the 6th count, I just rotate my head. 1. And the choreo ends. Congratulations. So we just did, let's just revise the last chunk once. From here, 5, 6, 7, go. Place, ha, we go 1, 2, and a twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, place and turn. Yay, let's go. Okay, so now that the choreo is ended, now let's revise it on slow counts from the top. From the top, let's go. 5 and a 6. And इसी के बीच में अगर मुझसे कुछ छूट जाता है आपको बताना या सिखाना, then I'll definitely add it. All right, let's begin. 5, 6, 7, E, K, F, and turn, tap, tap. 1, 2, 3, and a back, drop and a drop, tack, tack, toe, heel, and a jump, right, left, throw back, grab, and a turn, we go hip, and a hop, and a place, and a twist, and a stomp, and a wave to the left, and a stomp, and a wave to the right, we go wave, wave, and a hop, and a twist, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a turn. Make sense? Right? Now हल्का सा पेस बढ़ाते हैं, ठीक है? टेम्पो से थोड़ा कम, स्लो से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा, मीडियम काउंट पे, ओके? लेट्स गो. 5, 6, 7, E, K, F, E, K, F, tap, tap. 1, 2, 3, and a ha, drop, drop, tack, tack. 1, 2, and a jump, right, left, throw, back, grab, and a kick, back, place, twist, stomp, wave to the right and a stomp, wave to the left, we go ha, ha, and a twist, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a turn. Yay, that's cool. Okay, so now let's do it on tempo. What is tempo? The actual speed of the music. Okay, so it's gonna be a bit fast, but you can definitely do it. Okay, let's go. Take a deep breath. Relax. Now let's go. 5, 6, 7, ha, ha, kick, and a tuck, tuck, 1 and a 2, tuck, 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 and a ha, ha. We go back, right, left, throw, back, hit, and a kick, back, and a ha, and a shift, 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6, and a twist, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a ha. Hey, let's go. Okay, so now I would suggest you all to watch me once in music, then we can do together, okay? Watch me once and observe how the things are needed to be done, how the choreography is needed to be executed, okay? Let's go.
Mambo,
Let's go.
chopper, doggy style. No te canses,
5, 6, 7.
¿Y qué fue? No hiciste nada. Con tanta chapa, va a hacerle ranking, canking, can. ¿Y qué fue? No hiciste nada. Con tanta chapa, va a hacerle ranking, canking, can.
mambo,
Okay. Alright, so I hope you watched me once performing. Now it's time for us to perform together, okay? So let's go. Let's go.
no te canses,
6, 5, 6, 7.
¿Y qué fue? No hiciste nada. Con tanta chapa, va a hacerle ranking, canking, can. ¿Y qué fue? No hiciste nada. Con tanta chapa, va a hacerle ranking, canking, can.
mambo,
Alright.
chopper,
Okay, guys, let's cool down first of all, okay? So take a deep breath and exhale and inhale and exhale and inhale and exhale and go down. Relax your body and your mind as well. You did an amazing job today. Swing your body to the left, then to the right, and left, and to the right. Okay, shake your arms, shake your arms, shake your legs. And we're all set. Okay, so we did it on slow counts, we did it on medium counts, we did it on tempo, you watched me while performing, then we did it together. From my end, we had enough practice, but if you still want to practice more, there's the practice video.
¿Y qué fue? No hiciste nada. Con tanta chapa, va a hacerle ranking, canking, can. ¿Y qué fue? No hiciste nada. Con tanta chapa, va a hacerle ranking, canking, can.
Mambo.
Alright, so that was all for today's class. I hope you enjoyed the session with me. I'll be back with another choreography tutorial, hook step tutorial, warm-up routines, and so much more really soon. Till then, do not forget to check out more content of Daz. We have a variety for you all. Okay, so I'll take a leave. Bye-bye.